Jai Hind parents, as we know that the school has commenced from 18th of May, and with the commencement of the school, each and every child has received a timetable from the school side. I have just shown you a sample timetable over here. In the same way, different classes have received different timetables for their uh, respective classes. The very good feature that we have used in the timetable is that about the virtual links, the meet links. The meet links that are being made over here are quite secure compared to the previous one. We have taken into consideration the security of the kids, of our students, because we don't know for how many days this lockdown is going to continue. We even are not very much sure for how many days we have to continue with this online learning. And looking at the condition, it's very important that the security of the student must be taken into consideration. And for the same, we have made such type of links which are quite secure, and in which the students cannot join the class till the teacher enters the classroom. ये लिंक इस तरह से बनाई गई है कि जब तक टीचर क्लासरूम में एंटर नहीं करता तब तक बच्चा उस क्लास में एंटर नहीं कर सकता. This feature is really very helpful, as it will avoid the challenges that we can face for about cyberbullying and all these. So it's very much important that security of the child needs to be considered when we talk about the online learning, and these links will be very much helpful for the same. When we posted the timetable to our students, we found that many of them were not able to enter the classroom, and they found some difficulty for the same. And hence, today I am going to show you a demo video where I'll be showing you how the student can join in the virtual classes with the help of laptop or a computer or even a mobile phone. So let's start. Each and every child might be having his or her own mail ID. So you need to log in the mail ID in the computer or the laptop. On the right hand side, there are 12 dots. The child needs to click on those 12 dots. When you click on the 12 dots, here we have the option of classroom. We need to now click on classroom. Once the child clicks on the classroom, he or she will now be able to see all the classes where he has or she has joined into. जिन सब क्लासेस में बच्चे ने ज्वाइन किया है वो सारी क्लासेस उसको यहाँ पे विजिबल होंगी. Now, for example, child will now refer to timetable. Uh, Today is Monday, and the first period is CT period, which is of Rekha ma'am. So the child will now go in the CT class wherever it is available, and will click on that class. Once the child click on that classroom, here at the top, now this gray color area portion is called as the wall of the classroom. इस portion को classroom का wall कहा जाता है. और हर एक क्लासरूम में, हर एक सब्जेक्ट के क्लासरूम में टॉप में यहाँ पे बच्चा लिंक देख सकता है. इसको बोलते हैं मीट लिंक, वर्चुअल मीट लिंक. दिस इज कॉल्ड एज वर्चुअल मीट लिंक. द चाइल्ड ओनली नीड्स टू click on this link to join the classroom. Once the child clicks on this link, the child will be very easily uh, the child can very easily get into the classroom. So here we have the option of join now. Child can simply click on join now and get in the classroom. So this is one way of joining in the classroom with the help of the Google Classroom. The another way is the timetable. So here the timetable that is being given to each and every child have different links according to the timing and subject. The child just needs to click on this link. For example, I want to click on the English link. I will simply come here and click on this link. Once a student clicks on the link, again directly he or she can enter the classroom. And again simply join now. So this is another way through which the child can enter the classroom. So I have shown you two different ways using which, that is a laptop and the computer, using these two things, how you can join the classroom or for your virtual classes. Now we will see how we can join the classroom if a child is accessing using the mobile phone.